Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make zoom transition in Canva. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, I want to make sure that there's not any direct option offered by Canva, but here's something you can do. Now, just click on the video. Okay, from here, just click on animate, click on it, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see photo zoom. And you can apply this effect. Okay, go on the first video, click on it again, click on animate, scroll down to the bottom and select photo zoom. Now here click on in the middle of the video, and as you can see, here's this option add transition. Here you can add any transition you want. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add zoom transition in Canva. Thanks for watching.